Alright, this is a video on this new Harbor Breeze Slinger fan, 72 inch. It's an old house, and had to run some wire molding up there, so we have proper wiring, proper electricity. And the fan has to be powered always on. There's no on-off switch. It's all remote. So the light, really nice light, it's CFL bulb, and we'll run it to the speeds. It also has start out in number 1. As you can see, by the way, this is the second fan. The first one, the motor wouldn't sync, so I had to send it back. But Harbor Breeze was really ready to help and send another module. Number 2. It's really awesome, and it doesn't shake any at all. You might see some wobble in the video, but the fan itself does not shake. There is a slight off balance. As a former helicopter mechanic, I can tell you that I've seen worse. 3. 4. It's not a very quick response remote, so you have to be patient with it. 5. And 6. Now this is the awesome part. It has a reverse button on it, so in speed 6, I'm going to hit the reverse now. Watch. This is all real time. No video chopping or editing. And there she goes. She's looking, hinting, hunting. And the fan itself will cut off if there's too much of a wobble in it. It has a sensor in it that will automatically cut it off. And we're going to cut the light off. By the way, I'm using a Samsung S3 cell phone to make this recording. And now we're going to throttle back down to 1. From 6 to 1. And I'm going to reverse it again. Reverse. And there she goes. Now, this is an old house. I have 12-foot ceilings downstairs. There's a 12-foot ceiling. The room's 14.5 by 14.5. So the previous fan I had in here was just wasn't doing it. I was looking at the big ass fan, but that probably would be too big. It'll lift the roof off. But this is the Harbor Breeze 72 inch Slinger blade fan. It's really easy to put together. It took me less than an hour to put it up there. And hope you enjoyed this video.